Out of Capitol Hill, where after a brief controversial stalemate, the Senate passed a long-awaited bill that would expand health care access for millions of veterans exposed to toxic burn pits. Our Alex Capriello joins us now with details. Good morning, Alex.
Yeah, good morning to you, Mitch. Like you mentioned, that long and ugly stalemate is officially over. The PACT Act overwhelmingly was approved yesterday by a vote of 86-11, officially passing the largest expansion of health care benefits for veterans in the past 3 decades. The $280 billion package will make it easier for veterans to receive health benefits at the VA hospital system if they were exposed to toxic fumes from burn pits. The military has long used burn pits to dispose chemicals, cans, tires, plastic, and waste. It also makes it easier for veterans to qualify for services without having to prove their illnesses were related to wartime efforts. For the past few days, veterans have been camping out on Capitol Hill protesting the sudden reversal from 25 GOP senators who voted against the bill last week, citing a budgetary gimmick. It became a PR nightmare for those senators who faced extreme backlash, but the Senate body came together to approve the measure. Outside the Capitol on Tuesday, a proud group of lawmakers, advocates, and veterans celebrated the win, including one of the loudest voices in the effort, comedian Jon Stewart.
I'm not sure I've ever seen a situation where people who have already given so much had to fight so hard to get so little. And I hope we learn a lesson.
The bill now goes to President Biden's desk to sign into law. After senators pass this bill, the president released his own statement, writing in part, "I have long said we have a lot of obligations as a nation, but we have only one sacred obligation: to prepare and equip those we send to war and to take care of them and their families when they come home. I look forward to signing this bill so that veterans and their families and caregivers impacted by toxic exposures finally get the benefits and the comprehensive health care they earned and they deserve." And Mitch, there were still 11 senators who either opposed this bill or abstained from voting altogether. The main concern that we're hearing is that they believe that this is just going to create a large demand on the VA hospital system, which they won't be able to necessarily take care of all these veterans who now need additional healthcare services.
And that's Alex Capriello reporting live. Also on Morning in America later today, we will speak to Leroy Torres. He just recently won a Supreme Court case against the state of Texas. He was injured by burn pits, and he will have something to say about that legislation. Alex, thank you.
You bet.
Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation in your cable lineup. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-based, unbiased coverage.